Okay, so our next adventure on the smoker, baked beans. Nom nom, these look good. So soak these babies overnight. Drain them. You keep some of the liquid. I think that just helps thicken up the beans a little bit. We've got our sauce on the go. We've got molasses in here, garlic, onion, even a couple splashes of bourbon. That's right. Going to town. Knob Creek straight bourbon whiskey. Drop some of that in. Garlic, paprika, a little bit of chili powder. Just a hint of cayenne for a little bit of heat. And these are going to be delish. 2.5 hours on the smoker. Probably applewood smoke. Drop a bunch of rashers of bacon on top and we are good to go. Yep, so we get this all mixed up. Look at that, the onion in there, the garlic, molasses, ketchup. Oh, and I gotta say, hate to say it to my fine American friends, we went with French's. It's Canadian ketchup. That's right, Canadian ketchup. None of this Heinz stuff. Drop this in. Oh, that looks so good. This is gonna be so good. We got some Canadian bacon in here, maple thick bacon, and a few of those spices. Oh, damn. I just can't imagine what this is gonna taste like after a couple hours on the smoker. Lid off, and a layer of bacon that just sits up on the top and drops its lovely juicy bacon fat right down into these babies. And we'll check in a little bit later once these babies are smoking. Good to go. Okay, getting ready to put these beans on the grill. Gotta tell you, this whole kitchen smells just unbelievable. I wish you could smell it. You can smell the bourbon in there and the molasses. We got the grill ready to go. It's just heating up right now. I dropped in the heat plate. I figured maybe direct heat might not be a good idea. So we just got the heat plate in, ready to go. We'll get this grill up to about 225 or so and get these beans smoking for a couple hours. Damn, there you have it. Some good thick cut maple bacon sitting on top of those beans. It'll ooze down right into them. All those beans will soak up those fantastic juices and all those spices. So look forward to trying these babies later. About an hour from now, we'll burp this baby and take a look and see what we got. All right, it's been exactly about an hour or so. Oh, sweet. Jesus, those look good. Supposed to stir in the bacon. Oh man. Oh, those smell so good. Delish. So we're gonna leave these bad boys on here for about another hour. Smoking. And they look and smell fantastic. Thumbs up. All right, so we got those beans off the smoker. Oh man, they look really good. Wish you could taste them. They sure smell like awesome. Oh, shut the front door. Man, that's good. Oh, that's delish. I'm gonna eat all of these. Then look out under the covers. Baked beans.